Dada, as of now, you've seen Pant really do well all through and how he came back. As of now, if the team is selected, you think he's ready to fit into the Indian side?
I think so. And I want every young player to play, but unfortunately we can only pick 15. So as in sport it happens, the most equipped and the better ones play. That's what sport is all about, and I think Pant is definitely in that bracket, and I'm sure he will go to the West Indies.
Just adding to that, what position is it suitable for him to bat at? Because he also played
In the middle order?
In the middle order. What position?
That's very difficult to say in T20, because a lot of things happen, matchups happen, right hand, left hand combination happens, depending on who's bowling, depending on the situation of the game. So it will not be possible for anyone, right from number 3 to number 7 to say he's going to bat at 3, he's going to bat at 5, he's going to bat at 7. It doesn't work like that in T20 cricket, especially Test matches. It does. 50 over also it does to a certain extent, because the time at T20 is very quick, so it doesn't happen in T20, and that will depend on the situation and the captain and the team.
As a captain, as an administrator, about like when you select a team for a big event, you have been a part of administration where big team marquee event selection has happened. Would you only look at IPL performances? There are some great performances, some great young names coming, or would you go for some of the tried, tested names because it's World Cup? It's not basically a ground where you can experiment. It's an all or nothing kind for Indian team. Like, how do you look at it when you select a team?
You have to look at every performance, and I know what you're asking, but you have to look at every performance. A good team is a balance of experience and youth. You need, and the experienced players in India are tremendous, and I'm not saying only because of with the number of games, but it's the performances they've put over a period of time. It's unbelievable. So from that point of view, it has to be a mixture of young and youth. But for India, the most important thing in T20 cricket, and I said that to Rahul in Australia also, just play without fear. Just go and hit. There is batting, long batting. You can always control if you lose wickets, but just go and hit.
I know how big a fan of KL Rahul you have been. You have always spoken about it. But at times, does his approach, at times you find it baffling the way he bats when he plays for India at the top of the order? Have you found it baffling? Like, since you have been a great fan, like you have always spoken highly of KL's talent and range.
I think it depends on what the captain and the coach instructs him to do in the middle. The other day I saw him play an innings against Chennai, which Lucknow won. I thought he was exceptional. He played well at the top of the order and did exactly that was required to do at that moment. So I think as I said, it's about playing freely and playing without fear. That is a must in T20 cricket, and I hope Rahul and Rohit finds a method of playing T20 cricket, because players like Virat, Rohit, Rishabh, Rahul, who else are in the middle order? Surya, look at Surya, Hardik, then Shivam Dubey of Chennai. Just exceptional talent. The six hitting ability is for all of them is enormous, and I think that's the way they should play. Just hit.
Nara, you have seen the evolution of cricket, like power play, Kalu with Rana, Sanath Jaiswal, you yourself with Sachin. So in 2007, you guys decided not to play T20 cricket. So 70, not to be part of the T20 World Cup. So
2007, 17 years ago.
I mean, do you think abhi ke jo cricket hai, do you think still is it T20 there should be more younger player in the squad?
There's nothing about young and old. It's about good. It's about how good you are, and that is important for me. No cricket. How is Jimmy Anderson playing? Test cricket. But he's a fast bowler. He's a fast bowler at 41, playing test cricket and bowling 30 overs in an innings in a test match. So there's no hard and fast rule for anything. The only hard and fast rule is talent, ability and performance. That is it. You look at MS Dhoni. He bats for 2 overs and hits 4 sixes. I would actually want him to bat more, but let's see how good he is.
Sorry, I'm just gonna go clockwise so that
Okay.
it's easier.
Okay. No.
Go ahead, quickly.
दादा मेरा क्वेश्चन पंत पे ही था कि उनका टेस्ट अगर रिकॉर्ड देखा जाए चोट से पहले वो काफ़ी इम्पैक्टफुल रहा, मैच विनिंग नॉक्स हर जगह है। T20 में वो दिखने को तक नहीं मिला था, अभी थोड़ा सा
वो उसने
बदलाव
खेले भी नहीं है। मैं उस एक्चुअली आप जैसे मैं उनका भी रिकॉर्ड देख रहा था 10-12 दिन पहले 20 मैचेस ही खेले हैं।
नहीं,
तो थोड़ा सा समय
कुछ
देना पड़ेगा।
चेंजेस होने चाहिए ऐसे, उनको आपको लगता है कि ऐसे कुछ
नहीं, खुल के
impact डालने के लिए
खेले,
खास
खुल के
कर।
खेले, छक्का मारे और कुछ नहीं। छक्का मारना बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप ट्रैविस हेड को देख रहे हो कि नहीं? पहला बॉल से घुमाता है। तो
सौरभ-
छक्का मारे बस।
उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? पहले बॉल
मारना पड़ेगा। हम सब जानते हैं कि वो छक्का मार सकते हैं। बड़े बड़े छक्के
आप
मारते
बोल
हैं।
दिए उनको।
कोटला छोटा भी है तो छक्का मारे।
Next.
Saurabh, you spoke about changing the mindset to playing
For me,
fearlessly.
that's important.
Can the
Enormous
same
talent.
set of individuals actually switch into such drastic change
It's not
at
drastic.
a short notice? as
It's
such?
not drastic. It's not a drastic change. They have the talent to do that change. You saw how Rohit Sharma batted in the 50 over World Cup. He just came and hit at the top, and that's why we were such a good side. We just put so much pressure on the opposition in the first 7-8 overs that it gave breathing space for the lower order. And I think Virat and Rohit should do the same. They're great players. Let's do it.
Right. And,
Yeah, behind.
When the T20 World Cup happens on the heels of IPL, how much does the IPL performance actually affect selectors? Is it very easy to get confused by IPL?
It is.
Or-
It is, but I'm sure the selectors are matured enough to see over a period of time, not just one IPL, but two, three, 4 IPLs. Like someone like Shivam Dube, he did it last year also. You gave him a chance for India, he whacked it there also. So they've done it over a period of time. Rishabh Pant, Dube,
Like they played Varun
Surya.
Chakravarti in
Surya.
21.
Huh?
Like they picked Varun Chakravarti on IPL performance for a World Cup and he never
Yeah.
played again. So
He played one game though.
Yeah.
He played one game
against
so-
Sri Lanka, if I'm not wrong.
One game, so one game is not enough to judge anybody.
My question would be like, if you look at some of the performances, like Travis Head is hitting 80 of 35 balls or 39 ball 100. We have a Virat Kohli also opening, hitting a 67 ball 100. So there's a lot of debate. There's different styles of play. But is 67 ball 100 template still working in today's T20 cricket, the way the pace of the game is moving, like you are also
Virat
managing?
Kohli has got the capability of getting a 40 ball 100 also. That's what I'm saying, that as I said at the start, India with the talent they have, they just need to go and hit. Just mindset should be to hit, and then we'll see what happens after 5-6 overs.
दादा
2 years back, when you were in charge, India lost in Australia, and at the time the opinion was that these players need to change the way they play, or that there needs to be a change in personnel. Then 2 years later, to be picking a lot of the same guys, do you think then that's because a lot of the younger players are playing in a different fashion?
I'm sure there'll be a lot of young players in the side. There will be young talent in this team, and I see that. Obviously, it's not right for me to take names because the selectors are there. I see young players in the side, but mindset is important. Just hit.
दादा
Last couple of questions, one from here and then, yeah, you
Dada,
go ahead.
with just 10 days left for the final team submission, what do you think the final 15 should be, India's?
Next question.
Dada, what do you think? What is your opinion about the impact player rule? Do you think it is diminishing the importance of the all-rounder in the T20?
Little bit, but good all-rounders still play, isn't it? Hardik Pandya is still playing. You look at Rashid, he's playing. He's in the 11 straight away. So good ones will always play. Glenn Maxwell played. Obviously, he's taken a bit of a break. So Mitch Marsh played for us, although he didn't get enough runs for us. But good ones will always be a part because they contribute either with the bat or with the ball. So I don't think it diminishes the all-rounder. But then you have for average all-rounders, you have the option of bringing a better batsman and a better bowler. But for the good ones, they'll always find a place in the side.
Thank you.
दादा ओपनिंग का कॉम्बिनेशन में बहुत ये बात चल रहा है और आपने भी कहा कि विराट 40 बॉल पे 100 मार सकता है, तो क्या आप विराट और रोहित को एज एन ओपनर, व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ दिस, विराट और रोहित
फिर
एज एन
आपने
ओपनर?
पूछ लिया सिलेक्टर.
Last two questions.
No, just
Niharika,
your
go on.
opinion,
What's the
Dada.
last one?
But,
Sorry, I can't take
but,
over.
बता
but
रहे.
honestly, I feel both will go to the West Indies, and both should go to the West Indies. And if you ask me, and it's just my personal opinion, and I'm not saying that the selector should do it. At the end of the day, it's their call, Rohit's call. Rohit and Virat should open.
Thank you.
Great.
So,
Thank you, Dada.
Kamli sir, here this thing. My question is regarding Jitpreet Singh. Last night he on Saturday he got 3 balls to 3. So, what has been the standout thing for you about his batting so far in the IPL?
Hitting? That's what I said. Hitting. Him and Travis said. Just keep sitting. Sunil Narayan just keep sitting. And these players are game changers. They will not be successful all the time because they play such a high risk game. But the day they are successful, they'll win you games. You know, till Fraser was there, we were in the game against Hyderabad. We were 130 in 8 overs, and they were 120 in 6 overs. So we were in the game. So these players will always be a huge impact players in T20. Look at Maxwell. You know, the day he plays, he just wins you. And when he doesn't, it looks like, why is he not doing it? But that's the high pressure games they play, high risk games they play.
That's the very last one on your
Dada,
list.
how would
Yeah.
you manage someone like Yashasvi Jaiswal now that all the senior players are back into the mix? We have seen so many players turning up for India in the T20 format in the last 2 years, but now their names are suddenly dropped down the ladder, whether it's Yashasvi, whether it's Jitesh Sharma. So what would your advice, or how would you put that arm around their shoulder that
I
your
don't
time
think
would-
Yashasvi's name has dropped too far down the ladder. He's a special player. He's a special player.
So how do you address the recency bias which generally creeps in, you know, that the IPL hasn't been good, so selectors tend to look
I don't
at
think it will be that. Selectors are sharp enough, and you have Rohit Sharma ahead of Rohit Sharma at the top. He's got a fantastic head. He will know what's going on, and he will know what to do and what not to do. With
do you
Rohit Sharma at the top, things will be right for
Dada,
the country.
Dada, do you see Chahal in the squad?
फिर आपने मुझे सिलेक्टर बनाया.
The hitting that you keep mentioning about now aside about Abhishek Sharma, about Fraser McGill, does that come
Abhishek Sharma is also a special talent.
does that come knowing that you have the cushion of an impact player or a longer batting order in this competition? And can that be replicated at the international level?
We'll see, man.
Dada, one question now. Does it make sense to have an impact player rule in the IPL, because India has always needed those fast scoring all-rounders, spin all-rounders, and when we have the
Yeah,
impact
yeah.
player roles in the IPL,
Some of them are still playing, as I said. Akshar plays for
Yeah,
us.
Akshar just spoke-
Jadeja plays for Chennai. Hardik plays for Mumbai. We name it, they all play. Nitish Reddy plays for Hyderabad. He's in the game straight away. Russell is in the game straight away. Narayan is in the game straight away. So it's not always the case. The majority good players still find a place in the 11, and then the impact player comes in. So as I said, it's about being good. It's about how good you are.